Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of soak. Make or allow something to become thoroughly wet by immersing it in liquid. For example, soak the beans overnight in water. The second definition of soak. Impose heavy charges or taxation on. For example, he is again vowing to soak the rich, as he has long threatened to do. American pronunciation. Soak. Soak. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Soak. Say. Soak. Soak means make very wet. Soak. Soak. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Stephen soaks his clothes overnight to get out stains. Now, repeat after me. Stephen soaks his clothes overnight to get out stains. The second practice. Then they soak the projectiles in the poison overnight. Now, repeat after me. Then they soak the projectiles in the poison overnight.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.